Kemeronge bere chumo tionye komi ensi ya Kenya Nigo Gochengera Rituko ry'abanyankongo elyo kubanyura hase okurwandira ense ya Kenya na konyora obosibore moigoyo Nigo ochengerwa ase county aho ime yense asomura ibwense muskule Ruto Araa omoigoyo ime ye county ya Kitui aya niga gocha Rituko riborioka maiga hyoyo kabere mu waziri omonene Raila Odinga gutindekwa ase enkwana aya muraibwense niga irachinga kecho na kumonyora Raila asate biraba Kenya banyara ko babakubwatia chimbaratero chiaya elyo kwene kense ya Kenya nkogendrera sencheregia muri kitoli net nyambane nero gotoigorera emesa yama yakuru ensoko botkobware
Omorai bwense ya Kenya William Ruto Rituko rero niga Araa omoyega Gochengera Rituko rya Mashujaa ime county ya Kitui asegeti kya Ithokwe.
Mashujaa Day is an occasion for remembrance, for celebration and for reflection, and also a day for renewal.
Gokwana ase omoyegoyo omorai bwense nigo airari bagerio na kumunyora nyagusira Raila Odinga oyotindegetwe Rituko igoro ase atebrebuna nigo eruete asokurwanirira abakenya waigo nigo omorai bwense atebire Raila nigo arache kuinyora asokubeka ense ya Kenya bosio na nigo anjete ense ya Kenya kubwa obugima bwayo monyene.
This is the man, the legend and the Pan-Africanist to whom we dedicate this Mashujaa Day. Baba envisioned and fought for a nation where, in the immortal words of our national anthem, justice is everyone's shield and defender. In honoring his memory, we also draw from his journey of enduring lessons of courage, service, and unyielding love for country. The first lesson that Baba taught us is to put country above self. Time and again, he reminded us that no disagreement is greater than our unity. He famously declared that he would shake the hands of his rivals, whether he won or lost, because he loved Kenya more than he loved Raila Amolo Odinga. He reminded us that we may hold lofty visions and great ambition, that we may dream big, daring dreams, but without a country and a stable political environment, they would remain mere wishes.
Kubwatekana nayo omorai bwense bono nigo amoire skenene imeyense.
On behalf of a grateful nation and through the authority vested in me as president, I have today posthumously conferred upon the Right Honorable Raila Odinga the highest honor of the Republic, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart of Kenya.
Ase hotuba ya Ruto oenekeria abakenya buna ense ya Kenya nigera chekogenda ase birengo binde asare no muroberio yo gutingia uchumi yense na gotiga kugora endagera kurwa chinse cheisiko.
The only viable path available for us towards this goal now, fellow citizens, is through the expansion of irrigation and the modernization of our agriculture. Rain-fed farming can no longer sustain our growing population or our aspirations. That is why we have now set an ambitious target to build at least 50 mega dams across Kenya and to bring at least 2 million acres under irrigation. Let me emphasize that this is not a far-fetched dream. It is a necessity that must be realized within the next decade. We must become not only a food secure nation, but also a major exporter of farm produce in the coming years.
Onye nabo nigo aenekeria bamenyi bense meyo amagenderero ase chi sector ao aseboigo airari bagerio na kwenekeria abasai amabaga yemeremo. Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV. Iri tariane Linet Nyam.